Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be installing these red LED taillights that I bought for the 2011 Chevy Colorado. As you can tell, huge difference between the smoke and the red ones. So, I mean, this is supposed to be like stock color basically, or how they're supposed to look. It's also going to match up with the high mount up there. So yeah, so I decided to purchase some red just because I'm trying to get this as OE as possible, while also, you know, keeping the whole LED thing going on here. And all you really have to put in here is the bulb or the LED reverse light, which is right here. So yeah, pretty much the same exact product, just a different color. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to start by removing the two screws here, and same thing on the other side, and we'll take you through this process. Alright, so I'm going to try something here, guys. So let's try to see if it can work smarter and not harder. So I have this piece already attached pretty darn well, because so this has an adhesive on the backing, which that other one came with, and that thing is just on there because I do spend my time, invest a lot of time on my prep. I invest a lot of time into my prepping and cleaning before I add any adhesives ever, so that thing is on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this piece right here. Okay, so it is a perfect fit, and all I'm going to do at this point is just reconnect everything like it was. And also I will be reverting back to my old reverse LEDs on this because I am having a loss of cruise control, unfortunately, and I don't necessarily believe it's this part right here, but I am trying to reverse my steps and everything with all the changes that I've done with the LED lighting, trying to reverse my steps and put some older part backs and diagnose what the problem is and see if we can figure this out. So I did have this issue with the dark smoke taillights, but it's the same case with these taillights here, but I do have to use basically like a DIY type thing. So what I did is I got this screw right here with the washer, and it's just gonna go through on the top one, only the top one, because that is where I'm having the issue of the screw not being able to go all the way in. So as you can tell, it's pretty deep in there, and this one I have no issues because it's right up against it. And I think in the future what I'll do is I'll probably just go to Lowe's and try to find a screw exactly like this, but that's longer. That's all I need really. Before we start screwing anything in, I do want to test this out. So yeah, everything checks out, everything is good. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to take the old ones and I'm going to plug them in accordingly, so I don't want to mix them up. So if nothing goes wrong, if I don't have any issues with these and everything's working like it's supposed to, which it looks like it is, which is a good sign, but I am planning on selling these, and I guess it's good that the adhesive is still on there. So yeah, so it's also it makes it look newer as well. The lens still looks pretty good. I just need to clean it up, just dusty and all that. I feel like I can get some good money out of these. All right, so that's pretty much it for the video, guys. What I'm gonna do at this point is now I'm going to replace my high mounts. Of course, it's not ideal, but what I'm thinking is that since this has a resistor, maybe that has something to do with my cruise control loss function. So, and then just don't forget to put your screws in. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Appreciate you for watching, tuning in, and seeing how this turned out. It looks fracking amazing. Really happy with how this truck is transforming. And yeah, that is it, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date, and so you know when I release videos. And also feel free to check out my SoundCloud, which is in the description below. I just did a new song on a beat that is not mine. So yeah, So feel free to check that out. And that's it, guys. That'll do it for the video. Feel free to come back, check out these new videos that I got. I got a lot in store. And yeah, and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. So just a bonus here at the end. I ended up ordering on Rock Auto my rear bumper piece here on the back, because you can tell that this piece is pretty beat up. It's dented right here. Pretty sure it wasn't dented before, because I could have sworn when I bought this truck it wasn't like this. So but the new bumper piece is actually going to be chrome here instead of the gray. So there's that. And obviously it's coming with the plastic as well. It's coming with these. And yeah, so very excited about that. And I think the chrome is going to complement the chrome housings that I've been purchasing on the back and on the front and there. And it's going to complement the chrome handles as well right here. And then also, this is probably in the very far future, but if it's possible for me to purchase this bumper, I will be purchasing it in chrome. And possibly, I didn't show you guys this, but I actually ended up painting that trim piece that was on here. That video has not been uploaded yet. At least I don't believe so, as of recording right now. But yeah, I ended up just painting this black, black on black. But in the future, I might order this in chrome as well. But this is just a quick fix for now, just because it looked ugly with the new grille piece. So yeah.